Today, we will learn how to make our robot move forward. Are you ready? Let's get started. First things first, we need to open the Spike Prime app. It's the magical place where we tell our robot what to do. Now, let's create a new project. Tap on New Project and give it a name like Move Straight Tutorial. To start programming, hit Create. Next, we need to connect our robot to the app. Turn on your Spike Prime hub by pressing the big button and then the Bluetooth button after the robot turns on. Then on the app, click on the connect button when you see your hub. And just like that, we're connected. There, and what you're gonna want to do is go into the movement section on the top left and then drag and drop the set movement motors to CD. I just remembered I don't have a when program starts block. Sorry for that. And then now you can drag and drop the set movement speed to 50%. And what this is gonna do is in the first one, it's gonna dictate which of my movement motors are connected and what port they are in. And then the movement speed is pretty self-explanatory. Then you're gonna want to tell the coach that I like to call it the coach, that the diameter of the wheels for this robot are... Essentially what I did in this short little time lapse was look up this following equation and took some measurements on my wheels to find the circumference of my robot wheels in centimeters so that I could have an accurate measurement to put into my codes. Hey, editor Jose here. My fault for stopping the video, but I realized that this topic is actually more complicated than it seems. And if this video gets at least 10 likes, I will make a video on the topic of configuring robot movement. This is also a great time to remind you guys to subscribe, please. So 19.41 was the 48 was the closest measurement I could find, but I don't think I needed to be that precise because for this tutorial, we just want a robot to be going straight. And then here comes the actually fun part, is adding the straight block. So we want our robot to move forward around 30 centimeters. And what's fun about this is that we can actually bring out the measuring tape and see if it actually goes that far. So let's go here, and you have to go to the bottom right portion of your app and then press play and see if your robot actually moves. Now let's take out the measuring tape and see if it actually moved that far. Wow, isn't that just awesome? How you can just program something to do whatever you want. Don't forget to save. The way you save is you go to File and Save As, and save it some cool name like Forward Hero. And there you have it. Congratulations for making your first program. But before you leave, I have a challenge for you. How do you change the distance from 30 centimeters to 50? Leave your solutions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We're so close to hitting 100 subscribers. When you guys hit this milestone, I will drop the full playlist on Spike Prime programming before the end of the year.